Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today our group gonna talk about how to promote a sustainability cities. The first way is by implementing the zero waste management. What is zero waste management? The zero waste management is minimizing the waste by reducing the unnecessary of used materials that cannot be recycled. The zero waste management will recover all the material in waste stream and redirect those recovered resources to create a new goods. Okay, the zero waste management will minimizing, recovering, treating the waste rather than disposing the waste in the landfill. And this approach, the zero waste approach, will save our money, protect the local environment, creates jobs, build resilience, reduce emissions, and promote the community. Zero waste management is one of the ways to create a sustainable cities. That's all from me. Let's move to the next video.
So another way to achieve a sustainable city is through energy conservation. So what's energy conservation? Energy conservation is the prevention of the wasteful use of energy. So we'll be talking about how energy has been wasted and how it has been conserved. First, we will see how the government have wasted energy in so many forms and ways the government can improve in conserving energy. First up, the government has been using non-renewable source of energy. So what's non-renewable source of energy? Non-renewable source of energy is a source of energy that will eventually run out and can't be used again. Example of non-renewable source of energy are coal, oil, natural gas, and nuclear energy. So, of course, coal emanates from plants that died hundreds of millions of years ago. Natural gas was formed from remains of tiny sea plants and animals that died millions of years ago. Oil can be extracted and refined to produce products such as gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. It is also known as petroleum. Nuclear energy is released when atoms, which is nuclei, are fused together, which is fusion, or split apart, which is fission. Nuclear power plants produce electricity through nuclear fission. Note these sources of energy are not renewable and also cause harm to the society and our environment and also contribute to pollutions. So, what could be a solution to the waste of energy by the government? Solution could be using renewable energy. So what's renewable energy? Renewable energy is often referred to as clean energy that comes from natural sources or processes that are constantly replenished. So we'll be looking at some forms of renewable energy. First, we'll be looking at solar power. This is a form of energy that is derived from the sun. Example of countries that practice solar energy is Freiburg in Germany. Also, we have solar thermal. Solar thermal system have tracking system that keeps sunlight focused onto the receiver throughout the day as the sun changes position. We have the wind power. Wind power or wind energy describe the process by which wind is used to generate mechanical energy or electricity. Hydropower or hydroelectric energy is generated by converting kinetic energy from water into electrical energy. Example of cities that makes use of hydropower is San Francisco, USA. We also have geothermal. Geothermal energy is the heat that comes from the surface of the earth and is usually from earth hot molten, which is also known as magma. We have bioenergy. Bioenergy or biothermal energy is a renewable energy source that seeks to generate electricity from composing organic materials. Example of countries that practice bioenergy is Copenhagen in Denmark. We also have marine energy. Marine energy refers to as seawater-based renewable energy, including tidal energy and wave energy. So note that this source of renewable energy are energy that are renewable and does not cause that are not harmful in any way. Instead, they can be renewable, and we will urge the government to make use of them. So also we as individuals, we can help to save energy by making use of less watt bulbs and replacing our bulbs with that are higher voltage. And also we can always turn off our appliances and our electrical stuffs at home that we are not making use of in order to save energy. And also we can also install some smart thermostats to switch off our electrical appliances automatically in order to save energy. So thank you.
For the last one is pollution control. Okay, pollution control is the process of reducing or eliminating the release of pollutants into the environment. It is regulated by various environmental agencies which establish pollutant discharge limit for air, water, and land. Okay, for the example, it may include refuse disposal systems such as sanitary landfills, emission control system for automobiles, sedimentation tanks in sewerage system, the electrostatic precipitation of impurity from industrial gas, or the practice of recycling.